What's up, guys? Dave here from just Dave here, and we'll be doing a little bit of a review and then a little bit of a build video. So as you know, this is my Rustler, and these are Elias tires, and they're both Elias tires, stock, just normal. Now, got this for Christmas. Some nice Anaconda tires. Got two sets of them to put them front and back. They look sweet. And to go with the Anaconda tires, got a wheelie bar, so you can pop some wheelies. And to go with the wheelie bar, we got the Valenian motor. Now this thing is pretty sick, and I'm in the middle of. This thing looks pretty sick, and I'm in the middle of just unbuilding it. Look at that thing. I love the blue. A little blue in it. It's pretty cool. I know I should have showed you a little bit of it before I took it out, or when it was out already, but hey, nothing really to see but a blue cylinder. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is also I did get the Valenian, what is it, ESC and VXL3S. Yep, I gotta hook that up, and I did get the transmitter video I saw. I showed you guys. I did get a transmitter, like I showed you in the video. I might put that video down below in the description, right here, FlySky GT3C. And so that's basically it. What I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna pop the tires out, and I'm gonna put the camera somewhere, and we're gonna put these tires on. See y'all a little bit. Yep, we're back, and so we're gonna take these off, and we're gonna put those on. So you can see, these are like silver rims. Those are chrome. Gotta be rocking them chrome though. It's pretty sick. So I'm gonna take these tires apart. I did loosen them before, so I do unscrew them. Unscrew. It's not out yet, what? Yep, it's out. Huh. Look at that. It's all white in there. I mean, that's what she said. And yeah, so it's not all white in there. It's just all inside. Plus, no foam inserts, or the foam inserts are getting old. Let's get the back off. Same thing inside of it. Other side. Can't wait to ride this thing with those tires. Way sweet. And we are done. Okay. Nice. Now let's put these things on. Get these on. Let's get these on. These do have a tire pattern to them, so I gotta put them in the right way. Alright, I have no clue what is back and front, so I'm just gonna put them on whoever I want. Okay, front first. Oh yeah. Pattern. Alright, let's go. There is left and right tires on these things. I thought there wasn't. Oh, oops. It's not a video. What am I doing? Alright, it'd just be easier to put in here. So it's harder than I thought. Sorry if this is taking a long time, but yeah, I think it'll be worth it at the end. I love the way this thing looks. Yeah, I was gonna upload a video to my Traffic Gaming channel. If you guys aren't subscribed to that, I think I'll put another link in the description below to that. But I was gonna upload a video, but I didn't record in a JPEG for some reason, and it's not letting me download it, so I'm really mad. So I have to make another video. Yes, but here, I'll give it away here. The video was on Slender. He spawn trapped me. Just spawned in right in front of me. Oh, I got so freaked out then. Why is this loose? It's because I didn't tighten it? Oh yeah. Alright. So far so good. Let's get the backs on. And again, okay, I was using Camtasia Studio 8, and I'm never using that again. Well, at least not for webcam recording and stuff like that. But it didn't record the. It recorded the webcam, but it was the sound was off. First few seconds was good until you got into like some part of the video, and then it just got off. Then by the end of the video, it was about like a minute, like 30 seconds off. Yeah, that game is still scary though, even though it's 2 years, 3 years old maybe. It'll never get old. Okay, that is it for now on this ride. Working on chrome wheels. Now that was pretty cool. I should have taken a before and after video. I say, that looks pretty cool. Look at that pattern. You can definitely tell the difference. Alright, these they're a little bit thinner. You guys can't see it. Try to line it up as best as possible. This is about directly in the center. These, the original ones, were a little bit wider. Here, listen to this. That's air. That's foam inside of it. I guess this one, I guess the old ones have foam in it, but not as strong. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like down below, and check out my gaming channel, Traxxas. Some of you might be subscribed to it, but subscribe. I'm looking at you right there. You, subscribe now. And you again, subscribe to this channel right here. Click down below. Subscribe to this channel. You'll see some more awesome run videos on this, or at least a awesome run video. Voice crack there, man. I'm getting tired. It's dark outside. Alright, so that's it for this video. I will post another video tomorrow. Yeah, sorry. I was gonna review the PlayStation 4. That's what I got for Christmas. I'm so excited using that. So excited. I was using that a little bit yesterday. It was fun. But that was my special review. I didn't get to review that, so pretty sad. Because we were watching movies all day, and I didn't get to take it out of the actual thing. I would have reviewed just the box if I wanted to review it. That's it for this week's video. Peace out.